Snag bars, homemade. There we are, 2 of them. Nice little job, nice and easy. There we are. Let's give you some sort of idea of what I made. Not difficult. Cheap and nasty. These are not cheap and nasty, these are nice. That's a piece of aluminium. There we are. 6mm stainless bar. Put a thread on. 2 nuts at the bottom there. Nut there, nut there. They're flange nuts, so they grip. That's the drawing of the actual. This is the aluminium piece, which you need to see. There we are. That's what that is there. That's that base plate. And there's the measurements for the base plate. So there we are. 10mm hole. 10mm hole there. And those there, 2 holes at 6mm. And they want to be 25mm apart. Really the rest of it doesn't matter that much, but the measurement from there to the holes you need to get reasonably right, because that's the distance past your bite alarm. And that's about it really. Oh, and the bars, these are 180 I think it was, the height. Where we are, here's the measurement. Right, so bar measurement. Right, if I can see it in a minute. Get it on there. Wait for it. Wait for it. There we are. 130, 135, near enough. It's not that fussy, but it needs to be that length. Otherwise, you're not sitting above the bite alarm. So there we are. There's 2 of those made, homemade. There we are. Another little fishing bit that we've made. So we will put you on later. Don't forget, thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see anything else. What I did, by the way, before I forgot, is that I have threaded that bar there. Not difficult. These 2 bits here, I actually cut them out with the grinder. So quick and easy. Cut it out with the grinder. The extra hole there is if you want to go with the bobbin chains. So that's what that's all about. This is Dave signing off. We'll catch you all on the flip side. Don't forget, subscribe. And don't forget, thumbs up. We'll catch you all later. Bye-bye. Whoosh, we're gone.